In this short video, I'm going to show you guys how to wash your car. First up, here we have our wash towels. This is a thick plush microfiber towel designed specifically for washing your vehicle. We have our black towels here, which we'll use for wheels and door jambs. We have our drying towels. We have our ONR Optimal No Rinse Wash Solution that we're going to mix at 1/4 ounce per gallon, and our distilled or deionized water, which we're going to pour into our bucket. Before we wash the vehicle, we're going to inspect to see how dirty it is. If the vehicle is really dirty, you may want to consider pre-rinsing the vehicle first to remove the majority of the dirt. Now, something you should be aware of about this particular vehicle here, we did apply a ceramic coating to it, so having that coating is going to make it much easier to clean and maintain. So now we got our towels and our wash solution, everything's in the bucket ready to go. We're gonna pull our first towel out. Typically we'll need about 2 to 3 towels for washing the whole vehicle, depending on how big it is and also how dirty it is. So we're gonna pull our towel out. You can see it's dripping with water. We're gonna bring it over to the vehicle here. What I typically like to do is fold it in 4s, hold by the 4 loose ends so it doesn't unravel on me as I'm working the vehicle. This will give us 8 clean sides to work with here. Come here in the middle, and we're going to work from the middle out, overlapping each pass by about 50%. And coming down the side, I'm going to keep my back to the vehicle here. And when I'm going down the side, it's just gonna be more ergonomically easier for me to come and clean it. So we're all not getting any younger here. So if we come over here, keeping our back to it and using our knees to come down to wash it, it's gonna be your best way. So I'll typically work top to bottom, front to back. This is kind of how I do it. We'll come over here to this half of the vehicle. Again, holding by the 4 loose ends. Come in here to the middle, overlap it by about 50% on each pass. And again, as you're coming to the side here, we're going to turn, keep our back to the vehicle, and we can continue on all the way down the vehicle and loop all the way back around. So imagine our towels are all fully dirty now. Or all sides are dirty. We'll wring it out, put it to the side, and grab a fresh new towel to continue on. As mentioned, you'll probably need about 2 towels to do the whole vehicle. Now for the drying process, we're gonna take one of our drying towels. Typically you'll need about 2 towels to dry the entire vehicle, depending on how big it is, of course. But what we're going to do is fold the towel in 4s. You can also leave it kind of open like this and go over it. Me personally, I do like to fold it in 4s. And I'll come over here and I'll start drying the vehicle down. One thing that you're gonna notice over time as these drying towels get older, they get used, kind of get worn out a little bit. What I like to do is grab some distilled water or deionized water in a spray bottle. Give it a little mist or 2 on the towel on a couple different sides of it. That's gonna help make it a little bit more absorbent for your drying process. So a little pro tip right there. Another thing you can do if you wanna go above and beyond with drying your vehicle is getting a blower. This blower is gonna help blow out all the cracks and crevices here and make it a lot easier for getting everything dried up nicely so you're not driving off getting a little water dripping out of there. So now that we got everything washed and dried, we're gonna come over here to our bucket, grab our black towels out now, and we're gonna wring these out really good. And what we're gonna be doing with these guys is using these here for the door jambs. So what I like to do with the door jambs is, again, fold my towel in 4s, hold it by the 4 loose ends, and we're gonna do everything from this crack right here, wiping all this down, getting all that cleaned up, getting the bottom all the way down right there. So that's pretty much how you guys wash your car. If you guys got any comments, concerns, or questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. And if you happen to be one of my personal clients, feel free to give me a call. I'm always happy to help answer any questions you might have to help keep your car looking brand new and shiny. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.